Assalamu alaikum student. I am your computer teacher Miss Nosheen Saeed. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I will discuss about subtopic drag and drop. So firstly everyone bring your book and open the page number 40. So let's go to start the drag and drop. The drag and drop action is used to move an item from one position to another on the monitor with the help of the mouse. It means drag and drop is used to move an item present on the screen to a new location. For example, to move the recycle bin icon to a new location, the three steps are following. Step 1. Single click on the recycle bin item. Step 2. Keep the left mouse button, press move the mouse on the mouse pad. The selected recycle bin item move along. Step 3. Select a new location for the icon and release the mouse button. The selected recycle bin icon is at the new location. So now let's come to revise all subtopics. Everyone knows mouse is a pointing device. A computer move can have 2 or more buttons. Nowadays there is also a mouse with 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. Scroll wheel help you move up and down a page. Mouse pointer. The arrow on the computer monitor is called mouse pointer. When you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer on the monitor also moves. Mouse action. Try pressing a button on the mouse. All you hear a click sound. This action is called clicking the mouse. When we use the mouse, a titled arrow known as a pointer appears on the screen. The pointer helps in the pointing and the selecting objects on the screen. There are 4 mouse actions. Number 1, left click. Number 2, double click. Number 3, right click. And number 4, drag and drop. Left click. To left click, generally press the left mouse button once and release it. In short, the action is called to click the mouse. And doing this, the mouse make a click sound and generally used to select an item on the monitor. Double click. To double click, gently press the left mouse button twice within a short period of time and release it. Double click is generally used to open window on the computer. Right click. To right click, press and release the right button once and it shows a list of commands. Drag and drop. The drag and drop action is used to move an item from one position to another on the monitor with the help of the mouse. So, students, I hope you all are understood drag and drop and revise all topics. I hope today you all are enjoy a lot. Inshallah we will meet next topic. So it's time to say goodbye to you. Stay home, stay safe, keep connected. Goodbye student. Allah Hafiz.